This is just me showing you a video of me cooking rice. Just rice with beef and chicken. So if you're interested, keep watching. This chicken was bred in Nigeria, by the way, in my backyard. Okay, welcome back to my channel. It was a lie. So this is my wok, and this is the little margarine with some vegetable oil I put in there to heat up. When that's done heating up, I added some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some ginger powder. I did not put onions just because I didn't feel like it. I actually chopped a little bit, but I wanted to use powder instead, so that's just how I felt. So I added ginger, garlic, and onion powder in that oil, and then I added my chopped beef. I used just like 3 animals in this thing. It was just beef, chicken, and I think shrimp. Those 3. So I stirred this one a little for a little bit, and then I added the shrimp. So these shrimp or shrimps that I got, they were like pre-cooked, I think. So I didn't have to like remove shells or anything. I just took it straight out of the freezer and poured it into my pan. So I'm just stirring this together, letting them all gel and feel good and whatnot. And after doing this, I went on to add some chicken wieners or chicken hot dogs. I think that's what they're called, chicken hot dogs. I added chicken hot dogs and some Scotch bonnets because I like to have pepper in my food. So it's green Scotch bonnet and the red one, 2 of them together. Mix it again, and I added a little bit of vegetable oil again just because I felt like my oil was too little. Bear in mind that if you're adding oil when you're like already in the middle, it should be something that's already been fried. So I used the oil to fry beef earlier. Now I'm adding my salt, and as you can see, everything is starting to come together. It's all looking good and nice. Just added a little bit of salt. I'm sorry I don't have like measurements for these things, to be honest. I just keep adding things till like the gods say stop. Sorry, to my spirit say stop. So I added this all-purpose seasoning because I thought that I would be able to escape using MSG, but well, I still added MSG somewhere along the line, so just wait. So I added this green and red bell peppers. I didn't buy the yellow ones that made it more colorful, but that's pretty much it about this stir fry part, to be honest. You can go ahead and add your like what's that thing called, carrots and peas and all those extra stuff. So that's my MSG I'm adding. I use Knorr cube. Yeah, some Knorr cube. I think I use just 1 cube anyway, so it's not too much, I believe. If you think that's too much, well, I'm sorry, but I just added 1. 1 was enough for me because like I already have like a lot of seasoning powder in this thing already, so I don't need to have more. Anyways, that's pretty much done, and I decided to add some curry powder. I did not add curry since, but I decided to add curry powder now because I felt like adding. And some Cameroun pepper. I like pepper a lot. And funny enough, this food wasn't hot, like spicy as in Scoville heat hot. That kind of spice is what I'm talking about. So it was just fair enough. It was just okay. Let's move on to the rice part. So I have some oil in my pot, and I'm just going to add a little bit of onion powder. Again, you can dice onions if you want to. Excuse me. You can dice onions if you want to. I had to cough pickle. And then after adding that, I added some thyme. And then I just let that fry a little bit. Then I add my washed rice. I don't even know how much rice I used, to be honest. I just kept adding rice till I felt like I was good to go. So I kind of let that fry, or I don't know, heat up, whatever. After stirring it for like maybe 3-4 minutes, I added the chicken stock. Ordinarily, I would sieve this, but I was really not in the mood to do that. I felt it was good to go that way, so I just added the chicken stock like that, and I stirred it, mixed it all together. Kind of tasted it to see if I needed to add like salt and whatnot, but yes, I still added salt to it, by the way. But I wanted to see if I needed to add any other seasoning, but I think it was just good to go. And tasting it just lets me know how much salt I need to put inside, even though I don't exactly measure. I really just pour it and, eyeball it basically. So after adding that salt, like you see, I use one more cube. Now, this is not cube. I just put it on top like that just so that in case it doesn't melt or break, I will not be too mad. If you are angry like me with Knorr Nigeria, please sign a petition on Twitter for them to make their cubes soft or something. I'm just kidding. There's no petition. It's just a tweet that I saw. So I let that boil for say 15 minutes thereabouts and it was done. And when it was done, I decided to pour it into my stir fry and mix everything together. I didn't have to add curry to the rice when I was boiling it because I felt like the chicken stock already covered that part for me. So that's pretty much it about this rice, to be honest. I don't think I added anything else after this part. Just mix everything together, let everything be happy and whatnot. Combine them with joy in your heart so that when you taste it, it will taste lovely. And trust me, it tastes way better than it looks. Okay? I don't know what's up with my camera color. It looks different in that frame. But anyways, I'm just putting in my plate, serving a little bit of rice in my plate. I just put rice in this case to take picture. So don't ask me later why there's no spoon. I finished cooking this food around say I think 1 a.m. or I don't know, one past 1 a.m. on a Sunday morning, thereabout. I'm just adding my chicken, my protein as far as I'm concerned, my chicken and my beef. And after doing that, I started taking pictures because I mean, what's all the arrangement for if not for pictures? Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. That's all I did with the rice. And yes, I could eat at 1 a.m. or whatever. It's really my business. I'm on a seafood diet, okay? I see food and I eat it. So I eat any time of the day. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please subscribe if you like it, give me a thumbs up and put comments. Talk to me if you want to. See you later.
Hey, I just wanted to tell you that you're so amazing that you made it to this point. So I just wanted to ask, are you subscribed to my channel? If you are, then you can just, go on, keep on watching. But if you're not subscribed, please can you just go ahead and subscribe. I mean, it's obvious you're enjoying the content, so just go ahead, click the subscribe button, that red button below, and join the channel, join the family, okay? I mean, the button could be here or there, anyone to be honest. So just join the family, subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I upload more videos, all right? Go ahead, I'm waiting for you. Tap it right now.